What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome. Sorry if it's hard to hear me over the sound of heat and warmth, but I will take it, okay? We have been dreading working in a cold barn for a long time, and finally we have the heater over here, and it is helping out a lot. By the way, I first want to state right off the bat, this video is sponsored by Diesel Auto Power, so go check out their website. If you guys have any needs for your trucks, your diesel trucks, any horsepower needs, check them out, dieselautopower.com, link in description. Okay, what we're going to be doing is installing a 4-inch MBRP straight pipe exhaust kit on the nasty red 12 valve. I told you guys it was just a matter of time before mods are going to be coming in one after another, and it's finally happening. So I'm so glad you guys just kept the faith, you stayed in there watching the videos, and it really, really means a lot to me. We should be doing injectors, valve springs, governor springs, a lot of stuff coming in here very, very soon, and we got a huge shipment on the way. The videos are going to be getting really good here. We're going to get this installed on the nasty red. Now, luckily, this truck does not have the bed on it, of course, yet, so it should make the install quite a bit easier. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking it'll definitely make the install a little bit easier not having a bed on the truck. So we have good access to the hangers and all that stuff. And I don't know about you, but I love working from up top, holding up, exhaust stuff and getting that stuff done, versus underneath and trying to stabilize it and do bands and clamps, all that crap from underneath. It's been done for years. Guys have done it, no problem. It's not a big deal. But for me personally, everybody has their preference. This makes it a lot easier. And I'm not saying go rip your bed off every time you do an exhaust or exhaust work, but since this is off, it's just a real nice perk since it's already done. So we're going to get to disassembling the factory. Well, what's left of it at least. Also, what I just wanted to tell you is, yes, the heater. This is the heater that we have in the shop now. Got to stay and keep things away from the front of that bad boy because it does spit flames. So, yeah, but very nice to have this in the shop. Makes things a heck of a lot nicer. I have it set on 60 degrees right now, and that's just, getting it warmed up. And 60 degrees, I will take that over 5 all day long when you're working in the shop. So I just got to sit back a little ways, with the heat blowing towards the truck in the general direction. Not only help warm up the truck a little bit since it's freezing cold out here, but it's going to help me when I'm working down underneath the truck have all that hot heat blowing through there, so that's going to be nice. Well, let's get to disassembling what's left of the factory exhaust. Okay guys, so we're getting some progress here. We basically just got the downpipe section of the exhaust off of the nasty red, and it's a very easy process. There's just a little V-band around here holding it up to the fitting, which is right here, that goes to the turbo. And basically that's just, one little fitting there, one little nut there, you undo that, undoes the band. But before I do that, I took out the two, I think it was half-inch, let me see. I think it was half-inch size, half-inch, and we're holding the downpipe up to the turbo itself, actually the turbo fitting itself. So basically what I had to do, which I don't recommend using parts that aren't specifically for impacts, but I had to in this case, or I didn't have any other option, to actually reach up in between the exhaust and the frame and get to the half-inch bolt on the right side. The left side was actually pretty easy to get to with two extensions for the impact, but the other one had to set me further back, so I need a little bit more distance to get in between a tight spot, and I just put an extra section from a normal half-inch socket set on there, and it was plenty to reach up there, and I got the other half-inch bolt, and it came right down. Didn't have to saw anything in half to get it down in there. So awesome, awesome, awesome. I've been working on this, I don't know, 10 minutes so far, and it's already going really smooth. And when a job is going smooth, it's a good day in the shop. Let's just say it's a really good day. So what we're gonna do is get this little fitting right there. We're gonna get this fitting right here taken. We're gonna mount up our downpipe to this, get all bolted together, get our downpipe put on there, and then we're gonna just start connecting the pipes as they go out the back, the sections of exhaust pipe as they go out the back. By the way, this is a full 4-inch exhaust for the downpipe back. So if you guys are wondering, I don't know if I said it yet, but it is a full 4-inch, and it should sound really, really good. believe we are finished with the install. Okay, everybody, now I'm not sure how much video I actually got of installing the exhaust system itself. Pretty much the exhaust system went in very smooth. You know, it wasn't a very difficult install at all like they usually are. They're usually fairly easy. You can definitely tell that this is a quality kit. It's gone together very well. You know, MBRP is it's a well-known brand. People have been using it for quite a while now, and it's got a pretty good reputation. The brand has a pretty good reputation. So there's that band right there. There's your V band. It goes to your downpipe. Your downpipe is obviously behind the frame there, and then it goes to 40 some inch. It goes to your next piece. Connecting to your next piece, connecting to where you have your muffler delete pipe, which is right here, to your section that goes up over the axle, to your exit right there. And I would start it up right now. Now, if we were going to be putting a bed on this, that pipe would probably be a little bit high, but since we're going to flatbed it, and we're getting the flatbed that just goes across the top here, and then it just has the skirt around the back and not all the way around the sides. That's going to be fine where it's at. But yeah, I mean, it was a pretty easy install. It went pretty well. I'm not sure if we're going to start it up tonight, though. I know you guys are probably going to be like, oh, dude, how could you do that install and not start up the first night? It's cold. It's already almost 7 o'clock, and my videos are supposed to be up by now. I've got hours of work ahead of me. And I just don't want to cold start it, because then I have to sit out here and wait and let it run 5 to 10 minutes more anyway, and before I go and shut it off, because I don't know, I just don't like cold starting them up and then turning them right off. It just doesn't seem right. Let's take a look at the old system that was there. This is the factory downpipe, which is just pretty much that whole section down past the transmission there. And then I got this. This was the Hillbilly Smokestack. I made a video a long time ago. It got pretty good, nothing crazy. It got 20-some thousand views, but the Hillbilly Smokestack, that was hilarious. It just sat up, just slid up over top of that factory 3.5 inch. But yeah, we got the new exhaust in. And we will do a startup tomorrow as well as another install. So I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys are probably so frustrated right now, but trust me, we'll do the start tomorrow. It's getting late. It's getting cold. The heater shut off on me a little while back. So, anyways, guys, that is going to put a wrap on that. Like always, don't forget to go check out dieselautopower.com for all your diesel performance parts needs, and see what they have to offer for your vehicle and your application, and they will gladly help you out with whatever you need. So everybody, that is going to be a wrap on this video. Sorry, it was a short one. I just kind of got the job done, and then it was just, I've been getting started so late in the days because I've been doing so much design work and stuff like that, preparing for stuff 6 months out even, before I come out to do my videos. That's just how I start out my mornings. Well, first 3/4 of my day, then I come out here and try to get video for you guys every single day as well. So I got a busy day, got a lot of stuff going on, and it's picking up more and more and more as time goes on. But I'm glad that now I have consistent content to bring you guys, and it's going to be a great deal. We got a lot of stuff coming up, like a lot of stuff in the works that's about to be shipped in here very soon. It's already ordered, it's all on the way. I mean, compounds, wheels, tires, head studs, I mean, dude, all kinds of stuff. My dad said we might be trying to install some injectors on this truck this weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy that, smash that like button, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new. Startup is going to be in tomorrow's video. So if you want to hear the startup of this truck, tomorrow's video is when we'll start up. It's just too late. I've got so much to do. I just don't want to mess with this anymore right now. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Peace.